What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Roy's Customs. If you're into cars and car audio, then you're in the right spot. Now all you got to do is click that subscribe button, hit that bell, and get notified about all my latest videos. So, for tonight's video, I'm going to be working on the fiberglass sub box. I have a whole bunch of little pieces of fiberglass cloth cut here for all the various little places that had air bubbles that I had to dig out. So if you're following this, then you know how many bad spots it had, because I did a video on it. And I also didn't get done with the inside, so I did get some more cloth cut to brace the inside. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing tonight. I'm going to mix up some resin and get to patching this thing. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to let what I got going on here dry. That way I can clean out my mixing cup, and then I'll mix up another small batch and then finish this up. So for me it'll be a while, but for you it'll be almost instant. Okay, so we're here for round two. I still got to finish up the inside, and then I'm going to glaze over the whole thing. I did finally get this done. Got the inside all taken care of, finally. I did put some more bracing down at the bottom of the ring. I had already done the upper part, and so I wanted to make sure I had bracing on the bottom as well. So once this gets dry, the next stage will be sanding, and then I'll smooth it out with the body filler, but I'm not going to do that tonight. It may be a while before I get to that, but I do have the fiberglassing done and the repairs are done. So now this box should be able to handle pretty much whatever I'm going to put on it. Easily, it'll be less than 2,000 watts. I may put like 1,000 on it or something. It ain't gonna be super spectacular or nothing. So this thing will be good for quite a while. So once I do get it sanded down and get the body filler on it and get it smoothed out, I'll have to look for a piece of carpet. I also need to cut a hole in the back for my terminal, and I'm still not really sure. I'll have to wait until I get the subs and stuff for it and hear what it sounds like sealed. It should be fine sealed, but if I have to, I can put a port in it. I do have enough wood to put a port in it, so I'm sure it'll sound fine. I've never had a problem with them being sealed. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I sure do appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notifications if you wish. Don't forget, I do have t-shirts. I have links in the description below for the shirts and stickers and stuff. I have a Teespring store, and I have some bonfire things that I've got going on. So there will be links in the description, and I will put in some pictures in this video so you can see what they look like. That way you can decide if you want to go and check them out or get one or whatever. So anyways, thank you very much for watching, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.